Low doc loans dead. A lot of clients seem to think so, particularly business clients. So I've had a think, I'd like to get a loan, but I can't do low doc anymore. Now they're not dead. They have copped a good flogging. There's no doubt about that. A lot of the majors now have gone out of low doc loans. But the issue is there's a whole strata of what they call non-conforming lenders that are coming into the marketplace now that will do low doc loans. And to be quite honest, I envisage pretty big growth in that market segment, particularly obviously with small business people who don't usually meet the criteria of a full doc loan, and it's difficult sometimes to explain your business and how it runs and the actual financials to a credit assessor, and sometimes I think it's just too hard for them to get their head around, so they'll reject it. Now low doc is pretty much as the name implies, it's low doc, low documentation. So business, self-employed people usually can't get as much verifiable information about their income as say someone who is a PAYG salary worker. They can get pay slips and all that sort of stuff. They can produce regularity of income and all that, whereas when you're self-employed or have a business, that can be a lot different. So different lenders require different forms of information to submit for a low doc loan, ranging from complete financials of the business to copies of lodged BAS statements to letters from accountants verifying their income. And it should be noted also that with low docs, most lenders will deal with a lower loan value, that they won't go super high, just because obviously from a lender's perspective there is greater risk in a low doc loan of default. So that's something to think about. But are low doc loans dead? Absolutely not. They're still out there. The interest rate is obviously going to be higher, the fees are going to be higher, but quite often for some people that's their really only chance of getting a mortgage. So as usual, if you want to find out more about low doc loans, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help, and you take care.